in such a beautiful state. We are having a wonderful time in terms of weather and the scenic beauty that we are having here. It's such a serene atmosphere here, and thank you a lot, sir, for hosting us and having a wonderful time here. It's a long-term collaboration that we are seeking to create a kind of a replica of what we are doing in IIT Ropar. We want to do things here also and bring this state with emerging technology skill all around, from the school to the colleges and to the university level. So just give us 1 or 2 minutes till there is a short presentation about Awadh that we would be sharing. Development in this space, bringing the entrepreneurship spur in working in cyber physical system domain. We call them as our deep tech entrepreneurship ecosystem. And the third is the skilling initiative, where we want every youth, every school children to be aware of what CPS is all about. We are living in the era of internet where artificial intelligence, Internet of Things are going to dominate things in future. So we want everyone to be aware of what AI is all about, what IoT is all about. Moving forward, this is a glimpse of the hubs that are being set up in the mission. Under the mission, there are 25 hubs spread across the country, and each of the hubs working in cyber physical system for particularly, specifically domain focus area. Like we are focusing on agriculture and water, some of them are focusing on defense, some are working on environment, some are working on the automobile industry. So this is a glimpse how the hubs have been spread across the country. Coming back to what we at Awadh are doing, we are bringing these emerging technologies to agriculture and water. These are the key domain areas when we talk about water quality management, soil quality management, automation in agriculture. These are the technology space where we are working. So just to give you a glimpse how Awadh is working, we are being supported by the ministry up to 110 CR. Plus we are working very closely with other stakeholders. Like in our initial meeting with the faculty, we talked about the importance of industry. So we are very strongly working with industry. Like our professor mentioned that every month we go out and meet industry. So industry connections, industry collaboration play a very important role. We are being connected with Dassault, some of the big players like Syngenta, with Hexagon, who are giving us quite a good support. Then in terms of numbers, that is how we are moving in technology development, in skilling and in entrepreneurship. As in our initial morning meeting where we discussed about what are the key pillars, so these are the key pillars, and that is what we are replicating here. So if faculty and students, they come forward to develop some project, they want to work on this project, then the first arm, that is technology development, is for you, and we will be providing support not only financially but also hand-holding in terms of upgrading that technology or validating that technology. Then come to the second arm, that is our startups and entrepreneurship. This is an open call for our students. You have an idea, discuss with our team, develop on that idea that you are working in Awadh CPS lab, and we would be happy to provide an entrepreneurship support in form of a grants, in form of a debt model. We can go forward and support your journey in startup. Then the third arm is the human skilling activity, and that is what we are doing through this lab, where we want to skill you how to use 3D printers, what 3D printers can do. Then there are other set of components that we are providing, how you can utilize that components and skill yourself and make yourself industry ready. Yes, moving forward, so under human skilling, that's our first initiative in Sikkim, but we are doing this initiative on other parts of the country. These are the collective number in which we are creating a CPS impact through the skilling, where we are nurturing people to know about, be it school students, be it college students, be it faculty, entrepreneurial, researchers, innovators, what cyber physical system is all about, what you can do with AI, what you can do with automation, what you can do with the Internet of Things. So coming back to what we have made here, this is an Awadh CPS lab, that's the tagline that we carry. Such lab, we are having an objective of not only providing the skilling, but also joining hands to do projects together, to build startups together. As in the morning we were talking, the startup ecosystem is spurring in this region. So how we can together build this system, that is how this lab will also help. And till now we have set up nearly 7 labs. The latest one was in Ladakh. The other labs are, first one was in NIT Delhi, then we moved to NIT Jalandhar. We have reached to Uttarakhand with Tullas Institute. In Punjab region we have set up nearly 3 to 4 labs, and many more are in pipeline. And with this we are very, very proud that we were able to join hands with CCCT to create such kind of a landmark here, and we urge every one of you to take maximum benefit of this lab, and maximum queries, maximum proposals, maximum students' interest should come back to us also, and we would be very happy to host them in IIT campus and jointly dwell on this. So this is a map how we are doing, and many more in deployment that we have showed. So the objectives are very clear. We want to do skilling together. We want to accelerate the education in this. We want to join hands for taking the technologies, not only for agriculture, water, but for other domains also, where IIT will provide all the support. So just a glimpse of the labs that we have set up till now. So this is an infrastructure that we are providing. We are providing an hardware setup, we are providing a software setup, number of experimentation tools are there where you can explore the world of CPS. You will come to know what CPS can do and how internet can play a very important role and maximally utilize it. So already we have been, all these components have been provided in your lab. Please be free to explore what all these components can do and what all applications can come out of it. Just a glimpse of it. Already the proposal is being shared with your administration. You can read the applications of the components and how you can utilize it further. Have a detailed training of each and every component, and once they come back they can run their own training programs where we already I have shared, and as and when more of an exploration of these labs, these kits will happen, more and more opportunities will come forward with this. So in some of use cases, so whatever we have provided here, actually these are the technologies, these are the startups who have utilized these things and emerged out of it. These are the use cases that have come out of it. The first one is our biodiversity sensor, that is one of its kind international project that we are doing with international player and very well recognized by the World Biodiversity Forum, where a camera is going and clicking the pictures are going to the cloud, we are identifying the species and creating a farm advisory network out of it. Then this is one of our startups which was also being awarded in Shark Tank. The student was from IIT Ropar itself, and then we joined hands with them to strengthen their startup, and now they are doing excellent work in their own particular domain. So these are few other case studies which we will be happy to have that discussion afterwards as well. So with this, it's again an open call. Many discussions we already have, how we can join hands. We can have interns, we can have fellowships that we can support from IIT Ropar, we can have faculty who can come there, they can have the joint trainings with us, and many more opportunities can be there. So with this, I again convey on behalf of my team the sincere thanks to every one of you for hosting us and beginning the new era of cyber-physical system technologies and how technology will play a major role in equipping and skilling the youth that are present here. So with this, thank you once again.